Let's play with the colored surprise eggs.
Choo-choo!
Stop the train, Cuquin.
Oh!
1, green. 2, blue. 3, orange. Shall we open the surprise eggs? It's a green egg. Open it, Cuquin.
Wow!
Harder, Cuquin. Shall we open it on 3?
Yay!
1, 2, 3! It's a red egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cow.
And on his farm there was a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old
Bravo!
MacDonald.
What does a cow say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's a blue egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3. It's a yellow egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a sheep.
And on his farm there was a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old
Bravo!
MacDonald.
What does a sheep say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's an orange egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3. It's a pink egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a pig.
And on his farm there was a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Bravo! What does a pig say?
Oink oink.
How fun! Which animals have we played with?
A cow. A sheep. A pig.
Oh?
Cuquin is the app with all the Cuquin content, fun for little ones, and peace of mind for moms and dads. Download it on the App Store.
Ah! Oh! Huh? What? Oh!
L.
Yay! Oh, yay! Oh. What? Coin! What? Orange egg. Open, open, open. Wow, lion. More, yay. Wow.
C.
Yay! C, yay! Oh! Yay! No, mine. Oh, oh, coin. Oh. Yellow egg. Open, open, open. Wow, crocodile. More, yay! Oh?
T.
T, yay! Oh! Coin! Oh! Take it! Oh! Oh! Pink egg! Open, open, open! Oh! Turtle! More, yay! Oh?
K.